Hey, Allure has added something called add-ons. Yes, and they sent a card about it. This is the card. And as near as I can count, I think there's 27 items in here. Yeah, and well, I recognize all but about 3 or 4 from prior boxes. So maybe instead of add-ons, it should have been called leftovers. Yeah. And in as much as I appreciate being able to customize a makeup item, because I think that's something that those of us subscribers have been asking for, we seem to either have a choice of a blush or a highlighter or a lip product. And lately it's been blush, lip product, blush, lip product. I mean, seriously, Allure. Hello, anybody there? Allure? A little variety in life would be nice. Yeah, maybe an occasional mascara or foundation or concealer. And got to customize an item from Tower 28. This is a lip product. The brochure that they send indicates that this product is sort of a cross between a lip balm and a lipstick. They do state that one should be careful in application because it has more color to it than your average lip balm. So that's good to know, good to know. And it has a price of $16. This is full size. The choices were drink, mix, or squeeze. This is a Tower 28 Juice Balm Vegan Tinted Lip Balm Treatment. And the one I chose was called Drink, and it's supposed to be a juicy berry. And this is still, this just came today. It's still a little hot from being outside, so I'm not going to open it. This probably really ought to go sit in the refrigerator for a little while and chill out so it doesn't get gooey and goofy. This is the color. They all have this orange end, and when I first saw it, I thought, hey, what have I picked? That would not be my preference. Might be somebody else's, each to their own. It's closer to this shade. This is from Fresh. It is an eye cream. It has a retail of $72. Skincare ain't cheap. This is $72. You get, this is the full size. You get 15 milliliters. Fresh Black Tea Advanced Age Renewal Eye Cream. It does have a good safety seal. I can't get any type of a scent through the safety seals, so we're just going to leave it packaged up so it stays good until we're ready to dig into it. And it says that the reasons we're going to love this is the way that the cream feels cooling and soothing. Oh, that would be nice in here in the hot weather. It's been a little roasty toasty over here. And what else can we say? It says that there's a blend of moisturizing and antioxidant ingredients, specifically vitamin C, black tea, and ceramides. The next item is a sample, and it's another reason we're kind of in the, again, seriously mode. We got more pimple patches. We just got them last month. A little space in between these types of products, in my opinion, mine too, would be kind of nice. Granted, this is a different brand, and as stated, this is a sample size of 12. Full size would be 24 for $17, and it has salicylic acid and hydrochloric colloid. Apparently those are two of the best ingredients for shrinking pimples. So, I mean, I have nothing against putting these in a box. Just maybe not 2 boxes in a row. I can pass on what I don't use, although I do admit at my age and stage in life, I still do get an occasional pimple or need for one of these, but not 2 months in a row. Allure, you're starting to get on my nerves. In this half of the box, Anne feels her favorite is the product from Fresh, the eye cream. What did you like in here? Let me know. I'm a nosy camel. I want to know all the details. Tell me all the details. And what do you think about our opinions on lip product, blush, and too many pimple factors? And maybe it could be the other way around. Maybe the younger crowd is tired of seeing eye creams. This next one is from Beauty for Certain. It is a cream highlighter. I don't know if I've ever tried a cream highlighter. I probably have and just forgot, but this looks like it could be quite interesting and a nice enough shade that I think it would hit good for a variety of skin tones. And I saw on here somewhere, here it is, yes. This is number 08 for the color shade. That was a full-size item for $20. It is in a champagne shade. And it's supposed to not only be good for cheeks, but could be, they recommend, for eyes, as use as a eyeshadow or under the brow. The next item has a $36 price tag for 150 milliliters. We have a sample size, so we have smaller. Although I gotta say, $36 for this next item is not over the moon. And this is from Glow Recipe, and it's in watermelon, and we all know I do love me some good watermelon. I might have one of these, or I might have tried one of these. She's done so many boxes and so many unboxings, she can't remember what she's got. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. And I'm looking real quick to see if there's anything else that the little brochure says. Hyalurating hyaluronic acid and cactus water. Oh, that sounds intriguing. A little cactus. Those are to keep your skin happy, and a light watermelon scent, and it's good for clearing away dead skin cells and clearing out any blocked pores. And last but not least is a sample size of a vitamin C brightening product from Innisfree. I will be honest, I did take a little sniff. Yeah, me too. Smells like glow. Like I said, the box just came while we were filming today, so it's been out in the heat. I'm gonna let this sit and chill. Maybe the scent will improve. Not so sure. And on this one, I guess you could get one of 4 items at random. Hey, that's okay. So the one that I got full size would be 30 milliliters and would be $32. So I got the Innisfree Green Tea Enzyme Vitamin C Brightening Serum, and it's part of a K-Beauty brand. And apparently it's going to protect skin with an antioxidant green tea. Anne decided that in the second half of the box, her 2 favorites were the Beauty for Certain highlighter and the watermelon product from Glow Recipe. What did you see that you liked? Have you tried any of these? Let me know, let me know. I want to know, I want to know. Oh, and did we mention we have a code down in our description box? It's a link that should save you money on the first box. We're kind of a little irked, but we've got a lot of boxes and we've had this box a long time. So it might be time when the annual subscription comes up to take a break from this box. That is still up for debate, but it is a possibility on our end. This is a $30 a month box. The shipping is free. They do send a brochure with a lovely person on the front, information inside, and we greatly appreciate that because not all boxes are doing that anymore. And what else can we say? Oh, you get 6 items, or you're guaranteed 6 items. 3 full size, 3 sample size. Sometimes you get an extra, and that's always nice, but not always. And that's fair. They provided the 6 items that you signed up for. And you can decrease your monthly cost if you want to sign up for 3 months or 12 months. We signed up for 12 months. We've been doing that for at least a couple of years now. Oh, that is one way to get the price to go down, but you do then have to pay up front for all the boxes. So you have to shop with what your budget allows you to do. And so that was our August box. What do you think? Thank you for watching. We do appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, try our link, share with your friends, because our channel needs a little boost. And we do hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.